RDDT stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I am the only guy in this space that has done 40,000 videos, documented them all, and I have all the proof of it, right? Unironically, you can see swing. I'm looking for that shift to kind of come in handy. But the most recent part was my most recent video on Reddit. Boom, like 7 days ago. Only got 41 views, which I'm gonna freaking KMS. But yeah, it was sitting at 137, looking to take it out from the 1 hour chart. And this is phenomenal. I mean, this is exactly like what I look to do. There you go. Like, I think this is a better kind of timestamp. There's the 4 hour chart at the time. Now this is the 4 chart now. And yeah, it's great. Wait, this is not the stock. Right, that's not the stock. This is the stock. My bad. This was made 10 days ago, and this got very good views. So similar, but yeah, there you go. Like, this is when I cut it out. Trust me, my mistake. You can think I'm a fraud, but there you go. And since it has delivered, I'm looking to just double down on this. Meaning, if the price starts kind of correcting even more from this demand zone, is where I'm still looking to take it even further up. But other than that, it's all noise. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free email.